To deploy a project from Bitbucket, you typically use Bitbucket pipelines to automate the deployment process. Here's how you can set it up. Enable Bitbucket pipelines. Log into Bitbucket and navigate to your repository. Click on Pipelines in the left sidebar, then click Enable Pipelines to activate the feature. Create a Bitbucket pipelines.yml file. In the root directory of your repository, create a file named Bitbucket pipelines.yml. This file will define your CI/CD pipeline configuration. Define the deployment pipeline. Edit the Bitbucket pipelines.yml file to specify deployment steps. Here's a basic example for deploying to a web server using SSH. Replace the script commands with commands specific to your project and the environment. Commit and push. Commit the Bitbucket pipelines.yml file and push it to your repository. Monitor the deployment. Go to the pipeline section in Bitbucket to monitor the progress of the deployment. Check logs to ensure that each step executes correctly.